Hello and welcome back to Architects Workshop India. I am the SketchUp version of Ronak Sudhakar. Let's start this video by looking at this button, which is the section plane. Clicking on it gives us this plane which can be oriented to whichever surface we'd like and whichever angle we'd like. So let's use the front of this building, so to speak, to see what it does, and it creates a section for us which allows us to see the inside of the model that we've created. If we zoom out, we can, using the move tool, we can move the section plane itself to wherever we might need it. And as you might imagine, this is very, very useful for design discussions and things like that. We can control whether section plane is active or not with this button, and if this particular surface is shown with that button. Let's hide that for now and deactivate the section plane. Looking at this particular toolbar, you'll notice that at present it is on shaded with textures, but we have a few more options. On clicking X-ray, we get an X-ray kind of view of our model, where we can look through these blocks and things like that. A wireframe. Oh no, this is the back edges with a dotted line. So anything that is behind the model is still seen, but with a dotted line. This is very useful for construction documents and things like that. The wireframe and the hidden edges. The shaded and this is when we use materials, which is accessed with our paint bucket right up here. And within SketchUp, you have a lot of different materials which is accessed through these folders, and you can play with all of them. For now, let's say we give this a roof. No, let's give it a stone. And let's make the road that color. We can use this particular toolbar to set the kind of view we want. This is your isometric view. This is your roof plan or the top view, the front view, and all the different side views. You'll notice, however, that this is not a true isometric, nor is this a true top view, because it has perspective in it. We can change that by going to camera and going to parallel projection, which will give us a true flat top view, front view. So this is like the perfect elevation, and all the different side views as well as the isometric view with no perspective. This concludes our beginner sessions of SketchUp, and I hope that you have gained enough confidence to start playing and making your own models after this, and hope you have a lot of fun doing that. Please join us on Udemy for another free course where we talk about a few more of the advanced ideas on SketchUp, a look at the plugins that may be available, and a good workflow of what a good SketchUp model for a design office might look like. See you there.